Hello! Welcome to another episode of the PixelForgeAI tutorial. As I mentioned in the previous video, the application offers two operating modes, Web and API. Today we'll focus on the Web mode. Web mode allows you to automatically generate graphics directly in your browser. It's a great solution if you already have a ChatGPT plan and want to create images in bulk using your account, or if you use Midjourney, which doesn't provide an API. In such cases, PixelForgeAI automates the process of entering prompts and downloading images from the web interface. Here's a quick tip. It's most convenient to arrange the program and browser windows side by side, each taking up half of the screen. This way, you can easily control the entire process. Now, let me show you the simplest way to use it. We enter 3 prompts. Click the Set Point button and then indicate the prompt input field in the browser. After clicking Start, the application automatically enters the prompts at set intervals, which you can adjust in the cycle settings. We click Start and wait for the results. As you can see, the whole process takes some time. That's exactly why PixelForgeAI was created. With our application, you can automate manual prompt entry, waiting for generation, and downloading images. Just prepare a list of prompts, start the generation, and do something else. PixelForgeAI will handle the rest for you. While the program is running, you can freely use your computer. Just remember not to move the mouse while the next prompt is being entered. And here are the results. Now, let's move on to a more advanced scenario and discuss the individual sections of the interface. We return to the Welcome screen and select 3 AI models, ChatGPT, Grok, and Midjourney. In the application, you can set prefixes and suffixes, additional phrases added at the beginning or end of each prompt. This is very useful when you want all images to have a common style or theme. As you can see, by default, the prefix "generate an image of" is added to make using the program even easier. You can also specify optional common traits such as composition, mood, or artistic style, and add reference images that will inspire the generated graphics. Some AI models have dedicated attributes that you can configure according to your needs. This gives you full control over the style and generation process. Let's try generating a coloring page now. We set the transparent background option and choose traits characteristic for coloring pages. Again, we arrange the browser windows so that we have easy access to the prompt input field. This time, instead of entering prompts manually, we'll use the Import from File option. I have a prepared text file where each line is a separate prompt. After clicking Import Prompts and selecting the file, a window with several options will appear. Here, you can decide whether to add prompts to the existing ones or create a new list. Below, you'll find 2 buttons that determine how the prompts will be loaded. If you choose Raw Prompts, the currently selected attributes will be added to them. If the prompts are already ready for generation, select the Ready option. I'll choose the Raw option. As you can see, a list of prompts has been generated with the added prefix, suffix, common traits, and individual attributes for each model. Let's set the coordinates of the prompt input fields for each model and click Start. After the generation is complete, you can review and choose the variant you like best. PixelForgeAI also has an additional option that allows you to automatically save the image after downloading, but I'll talk about that in the next episode. That's all for today. See you next time.